Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Oracle or our Oricle hearing aids for seniors. So as you can see right here, they claim to get no more ear discomfort, clear conversations in any environment, premium comfort design, exceptional battery life, easy to use controls, and a lot more. So let's actually head on over down to the reviews right here. So if you scroll down here to the reviews, so they actually rated 3.5 out of 5 stars. So this is very mixed reviews right here. So better than spending $4,900. So how much is it? So they don't have a price yet. So since they're not available, hearing aids, like the hearing aids, hearing well, they work fine. Read before buying, lots of issues. Bought these from a family member, where they'll help him to hear a little better. These are extremely large. They do not fit down the ear, and they're very noticeable. They fall out of your ear tip, your head over too much. They work very well. These aids work very well for 2 months, then the volume dropped by half. So these are a hit or miss product. So they're not perfect, but they do work based on the reviews. So as you can see right here, Oracle Hearing on their company here on Trustpilot, they rated 2.5 out of 5 stars, which is poor, and they have 118 reviews. So let's see all the reviews here. So do not deal with this company. Expected better for the price. Honestly, horrible. Had some issues with it at first. I purchased these but total mistake after looking at them but being flashed by PayPal not to use this company. I'd purchased a set elsewhere, only to then realize I had bought these by mistake. Tried to cancel the order less than 30 minutes later, but they told me they have unbelievably already been dispatched. Wow. So I hear everything now calls. So I've received my hearing aid and tried them out. So unprofessional. So avoid company. So a lot of people are saying that these are bad. So if you're wanting to buy hearing aids, so I suggest investing in real hearing aids from the doctor or from prescribed hearing aids for your elderly parents or grandfathers or grandmothers. So please do not buy these. These are cheap ripoffs of the real hearing aids. So if you want a better life for them, you should buy them real hearing aids, not these. So yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.